What's up guys, it's Gaming Boy here, back with another video. Today we'll be playing a new game, Retimed. And I know I haven't posted a video in I think 2 months, I forgot. I'm really sorry, I was really late on making videos, but today I'll be making 2 videos actually. You'll see them. But this will be the first video, and then I'll do the second one. Okay, loading. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Yes. Okay, loading A. Okay, so what I'll be trying to do. Oh wait, no. What I'll be trying to do in this video today is I will be trying to be. Oh wait. I'll be trying to beat a video here. And by the way, to play V10, guys, what you're supposed to do, to shoot, you need to press the left, you need to left click, and to dash, you need to right click. You can hear me pressing right click. And to jump, you need to press space. Dash, right click, attack. Oh, and yeah, I have a shotgun on. You could switch your guns. But hold up, why do I? Hold up, guys, one sec. Why do I? Wait, hold up. Wait, I think I messed something up here. Wait, let me just beat this real quick, guys. Real quick. Oh, dang it. Why do I keep doing that? I mean, why does that keep happening? Ooh, that's scary. That one guy almost got me. People. Thank you so much for killing me. I almost died from that one rhino. Oh no! That stinky foot. Okay, final wave. Sorry guys, I did the wrong map on accident. I didn't mean to do that. Like seriously, I wasn't trying to do that. I didn't notice that I clicked that the mouse was got on that. I didn't notice. Service. One sec. I'll beat this real quick, and then I could actually go on to. By the way, guys, when I go onto the map, it's gonna take me a pretty long time to beat it. So that's why I'm gonna make this video 15 minutes, I think. Well, that's how long I can make videos for. So I basically have to make the video 15 minutes. Well, I do have to. Oh my goodness, that was okay. Oh my goodness, this subscriber guy is so annoying. Dude, just come here. Thank you. Oh my! Oh, you're kidding me. Yeah, dude, just go a little faster. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so anyways, guys. Oh. see. One sec, guys. Okay, so oh, why do I keep doing that? So guys, yes, there we go. Okay, now, oh wait, what did it? Never mind. Whee! Okay, now let's do this. So it was this map? Yeah, this map right here. This was the map. Just saying, guys, this will take me a long time because you only have 3 lives. So, and these things I hate a lot. That's actually the only reason. That's actually why I have the shotgun. So it's easier. Ah! Oh, I already lost a life. This is not good. This is not. What? Are you kidding me? Ah! Oh, that was scary. Ah! Oh. Oh, flip. Get away. Oh, thank you. Oh no, get away from me. Ah! Ah! Dude, literally, just get away from me. I don't like any of you. Oh my, get that away from me. Get that ugly thing away from me. Get that away from me. Get you away from me. Oh my goodness, that was scared. Oh my, literally, dude, just get away from me. Please, get away. All of you, get away from me. Am I gonna do this first try? No, there's no way. Oh no! What got me? Wait, what got me? Wait, I'm confused. What got me? Anyways, let me try this again. That went terribly wrong. I did not expect that to happen. Like, I lost 2 lives so fast. Oh, and also you could duck by pressing S on your keyboard. Because this game is only on computer or keyboard. Wait, no, not keyboard. It's only on computer or PC. Sorry. I don't know why I said keyboard. That's not even a computer or whatever. Or PC. Or anything. Why? No. I literally hate that guy so much. Wait, I'm literally an idiot. I forgot that my bullets go through walls. Oh guys, by the way, in some maps, your bullets can go through the walls. And also, if you hear the bullets, they just bounce to somewhere else. And also, there's different maps that I'm going to be showing you guys after I kill this guy and try to beat this map. Oh my. Oh. Oh no. I might not make it. No! Wait.